Have you ever wondered how faceless YouTube channels earn massive accounts enough to make you retire early? Maybe you're curious as to how much those channels are earning. Imagine earning over $100,000 a month from simple YouTube videos. That's the reality for channels like Brainy Do and Body Hub, raking in big bucks with minimal effort. But how do they do it? Today, we're diving deep into the world of faceless YouTube videos and the lucrative potential they hold. Stick around as we unveil AI tools that turbocharge your video creation process, taking you from zero to a monetized hero in zero time. Step 1. Ever wondered how your specific skills or expertise could make money for you? Take a look at Brainy Dose. Their straightforward videos on psychology draw massive attention. So, to start your channel, pick a niche that interests you. Once you've chosen, use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm 30 video ideas based on popular channels. For example, if you're into psychology, emulate Brainy Dose. Copy the link, ask ChatGPT for ideas, and that's it. Now, search for similar videos with over 100,000 views to validate your idea. That's how you start getting your video ideas. Step 2. This step is crucial. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write content for you. Just ask it to write a 2,000-word article on, say, 5 ways to burn fat. Now you've got a script. But hold on, before you start recording, ensure you fine-tune it. Run it through Copyscape, input some parts in your own words, and add your unique touch. Remember, your viewers deserve authentic value, so make sure to write an engaging script. Step 3. It's quite simple. Just record your voiceover using your phone's audio recorder. That's what it's about. Step 4. Let's say you've got footage ready, and now you need the magic touch of a top-notch video editor. Wave.video is the best tool for you. And let me tell you why. Picture this. You're sitting down to edit your latest YouTube video. You've got all your clips ready, but now it's time to piece them together seamlessly. That's where Wave.video comes in. It's like having a professional editing suite right at your fingertips, and let me tell you, it's beginner-friendly. Now, before we go any further, let me drop a bombshell on you. Wave.video isn't just an ordinary editing software. Nope, it's one of the best online-based video editors out there. And guess what? You can snag yourself an incredible deal on it right now, thanks to our friends over at AppSumo. Yep, you heard me right. AppSumo is the place to go for killer deals on top-notch software, and they're currently running a special sale that you do not want to miss. I'm talking huge discounts on Wave.video and a bunch of other tools that'll take your YouTube game to the next level. But back to Wave.video. Sure, they've got a free plan, but let's be real here. If you're serious about your YouTube channel, you'll want to upgrade to a paid plan. Trust me, it's worth every penny. And thanks to AppSumo, you can get that paid plan for a steal. So once you've got Wave.video all set up, it's time to import those clips. And let me tell you, it's as easy as pie. Just a few clicks and boom, your footage is ready to go. But editing isn't just about slapping clips together. Oh no, it's an art form. And with Wave.video's intuitive interface, you'll be a masterpiece in no time. Need to trim a clip? No problem. You want to add some fancy effects? Piece of cake. Wave.video has got you covered every step of the way. And here's the best part. Wave.video's built-in audio editor makes adding voiceovers a simple task. No more fiddling with complicated software or messing around with clunky interfaces. With Wave.video, it's as simple as drag and drop. But what if you make a mistake? No worries. Wave.video's got your back there too. Just a few clicks, and you can trim out any errors like they never even happened. So there you have it, an easy way to edit your clips and voiceovers. Step 5. Are you tired of searching through the internet to find the perfect video clips for your YouTube content? Well, get ready to streamline your editing process with Step 5. Now, let's talk about finding those clips. Imagine you're discussing workouts in your video. How can you visually represent that? Sticking to Wave.video, it's simple. Just head over to the stocks and upload section and type in your keyword. Workouts? Easy. Click through the library, previewing clips as you go. Find one that syncs perfectly with your narration. Add it with a click. But what if you need more than one clip to tell your story? No problem. Wave.video lets you easily splice and dice your footage, ensuring your audience stays engaged. And here's the kicker. No need to download anything. Wave.video is entirely online, saving you precious time and computer space. Now let's talk variety. Wave.video boasts a massive library of clips, ensuring you'll always find what you need. And guess what? Many of them are free. No need to break the bank to elevate your content. But what if Wave.video doesn't have exactly what you're looking for? Don't fret. You can always explore other stock media websites. But trust me, with over 10,000 clips at your fingertips, Wave.video Wave.video should be your first stop. Now, let's talk about transitions. Wave.video's built-in features make adding transitions a breeze. With just a click, you can seamlessly blend your clips together, keeping your audience hooked from start to finish. Here's the best part. Wave.video takes care of those pesky watermarks for you. No need to worry about distracting logos ruining your final product. Wave.video ensures your content looks polished and professional every time. And that's how to do streamline editing. Trust me, this will increase your person average duration view. Now, I know this is a problem for everyone. Are you struggling to get your YouTube videos noticed? Wondering how you can make more money with your content? The feeling that you've poured out your heart and soul into creating valuable content, but it's just not getting the attention it deserves. Why? Because you're missing a crucial element: engaging titles. That's right, titles are the secret sauce to capturing viewers' attention and keeping them hooked from start to finish. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 6. Adding titles throughout your video. Now, why is this so important? It's all about the algorithm. The key to success on YouTube is keeping people engaged, and adding titles is a surefire way to do just that. Think about it. When you see a video with captivating titles popping up, don't you feel more inclined to keep watching? Of course you do. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Imagine you're creating a video about fat burning methods. You want to grab viewers' attention right off the bat, so you add a catchy title like 5 steps to burn fats. Boom! Instant intrigue. But we're not stopping there. We're going to sprinkle titles through the entire video, highlighting each step along the way. It's like guiding your viewers on a journey, keeping them engaged at every turn. Now here's the best part. You don't need fancy editing software to do this. With Wave.video, it's as easy as pie. Just select from a variety of text templates, customize your titles, and voila! Your video just got a whole lot more captivating. But wait, there's more. We're not stopping at titles. We're also throwing in overlays, stickers, and even background music to spice things up. Because let's face it, a little extra flair never hurt anyone. And don't forget about subtitles. Not only do they make your content more accessible, but they also keep viewers engaged even if they're watching with the sound off. Step 7. Are you itching to showcase your skills and make some serious money? Well, hold on to your hats, because here's the next step. Uploading your masterpiece. Picture this. You've poured your heart and soul into creating content that's bound to dazzle. Now, it's time to let the world see it. Simply hit publish, select video, choose 1080p quality, opt for MP4, and click render. In minutes, you'll have a downloadable link ready to conquer YouTube. Step 8. It's time to maximize your YouTube success. You've crafted the perfect video, poured your heart and soul into it, but wait, how do you ensure it stands out? It's all about that thumbnail game. Let's break it down. Your thumbnail is the first impression viewers get of your video. It's like a cover of a book, and trust me, people do judge by it. So how do you create a thumbnail that screams "click me"? Enter Wave.video, your ultimate ally in the thumbnail game. With just a few clicks, you can whip up a killer thumbnail that stops scrollers in their tracks. Simply select a blank image, pick a layout, and start customizing. But wait, want to know the secret sauce for a killer thumbnail? Take a peek at what's already working on YouTube. It's all about eye-catching visuals and bold text. Think outside the box, or in this case, inside the thumbnail. With Wave.video, you can add background colors, search for captivating images, and slap on attention-grabbing text faster than you can save views. It's like having a graphic designer at your fingertips. In the digital world of YouTube, the thumbnail is your golden ticket to success. But what if you can't find a niche, or you don't have any idea which niche has the highest CPM? If you want to learn how to evaluate and pick the right niche, you might want to check out some of our videos. I'll see you around!